Now in this video we will place the sockets required for the different applications for different room. Okay, we will not decide the cable size required for these applications. We'll just make the connection. Later while we will design the SLD for the building, then we will decide the square mm or the size required for the every cable. So let's copy this power socket from the legends and place. Suppose here our tables and chair will be placed for the office, so we can place a socket, let's say 2 socket below the table for the computer system. And for kitchen, let's play 2 socket along the wall, 2 socket along the wall, 1 socket for the charging purpose in the toilet along the wall, and one, let's say, in the store. Here will be the switching. I guess we have placed the switch here in the store for the lighting, so we'll place a socket near the switch box. And library, we placed switch box on the right side, so we'll place the socket also there. 1 socket for general room, switch box on the left side, so we'll place the socket on the left side too. A socket in the control room. And for conference room, here we will have a big table, meeting table, and we should have some socket over there. Socket arrangement, let's place 2 socket there and 1 socket here in the entry side. And for this office also, let's place 2 socket. And corridor, maybe some emergency purpose, there should be a socket. Let's place it here. So we have already placed the socket. So let's say we have placed total number of 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So we have placed 15 number of sockets. So we'll divided it into 3, so that it can be easily divided in 3 phases. So let's say 5 sockets we'll place for one phase, these 5. So now we'll connect this. So these 5 sockets will be connected in one phase, and one, 2, 3, 1 2 3 4 5. So these 5 sockets will be connected in another phase, and these sockets will be connected in another phase. So let's take another DB that will be completely dedicated for power sockets. Let's say that will be called power DB. Let's call it PDB. So this is the power DB. Let's place this on the here we have placed for the lighting DB, we have placed it here. Hardly a place for placing the power DB, so we'll place it here. So from this power DB will take 3 phase, and one phase will power up these sockets, another phase will give the power to these sockets, and another phase will power these sockets. So let's PDB R phase. So these sockets will be powered up by PDB R phase. Similarly, these sockets will be powered by yellow phase. So let's make it yellow and copy this. Make this yellow. Change the name PDBY because these sockets are getting power from Y phase of the PDB, and these sockets will be powered by blue phase. So let's change the color. Change the name from white to blue. Change the color also. So power distribution is also completed. Similarly, you can place air conditioner for all the rooms also. We will not do that. We will only concentrate on the lighting system because our course is only about the lighting design system. So our lighting connection and the socket connection is now completed.